Dude, what if I would hit my head on that? Seriously.
We couldn't have.
How could I not have? You threw me. You didn't even like slowly tilt me back. You just.
I was trying, but then you kicked. So
flat on my back.
How did I go?
What if that had been in my head?
You would probably just busted open.
And you'd have probably just paid $2,000 million for my hospital bill.
You don't have Medicaid.
I'm not leaving until you chill out. You need a Benadryl. Stop! What the fuck?
Jesus.
Okay. Alright, we're good.
You done?
Yeah.
You sure?
Let's go.
Positive. Breathe.
I'm breathing. Get off me.
Nope, see? That's... no. That shows me you're not...
I asked you ready. Why aren't you?
Because you won't let me get ready!
Okay, ready?
Oh my god. It's crazy.
This is how the problems get solved. Go.
Snap your finger. One more time. Please.
I'm about to check
Your
the fuck out of you.
mouth.
Alright, Dixie, look. You can't go past this line. There you go. Yeah!
Oh, jeez, that was funny. Dodie, quiet it, Dodie. Quit.